Once upon a time, in a sunny garden bursting with colors, there lived an onion named Ollie and a tomato named Tillie. Ollie was a little shy, with layers of gentle sweetness hidden beneath his papery skin. Tillie, on the other hand, was bright, round, and always ready with a cheerful smile. Though they grew close to one another, they had never truly spoken. One blustery afternoon, a strong wind swept through the garden, ruffling the lettuce leaves and making the carrots shiver. Tillie felt herself wobbling dangerously on her vine, and just as she was about to tip over, Ollie rolled closer and steadied her with his sturdy side. "Thank you, Ollie," Tillie giggled, her red cheeks glowing brighter. Ollie blushed beneath his layers. "It's nothing. I just didn't want you to fall." From that day on, the two became the best of friends. Every morning, they greeted the sun together, chatting about the buzzing bees and the bustling ants that marched below. Tillie taught Ollie how to enjoy the warmth of the sun and laugh at the silly jokes the cucumbers told. Ollie showed Tillie the magic of the cool, quiet soil and the secrets hidden beneath the garden bed. Sometimes, other vegetables would ask how an onion and a tomato could be friends. "You're so different," said Peppy the pea. Ollie and Tillie just smiled. They knew that their differences made their friendship even stronger. When Tillie felt down, Ollie's gentle words cheered her up. When Ollie worried, Tillie's laughter washed his worries away. Together, they learned that true friendship isn't about being the same. It's about caring, sharing, and growing together. Just like a garden, where every plant, no matter how different, belongs.